Another large storm rolled across Minnesota and Wisconsin this week, dropping more than 6 inches of snow on much of the area, but many spots in the Twin Cities received around or over a foot. Minneapolis-St. Paul International Airport received just shy of 15 inches over the 3 calendar days, which ranks it as one of the largest snowstorms for the metro dating back to 1884. The more infamous storm from an outsider's perspective would be when the Metrodome roof collapsed because of roughly 17 inches of heavy wet snow. That was just over 12 years ago now, from December 2010. Even more recent, but likely only locals at the time will remember, is from April 2018, when more than 15 inches of snow decorated the metro mid-month, along with 50 mph winds. That was the largest snowstorm so late in the season and just the second blizzard in the Twin Cities since the year 2000.